got a taser? Yeah, taser ready.
Dude, I'm not.
If you're gonna get the tased.
He's trying to.
Don't sit down, you're gonna get tased.
He's trying to throw me
Sit down.
He's trying to throw me
Sit on the ground, you're gonna get tased. Sit on the ground. Sit on the ground, stay down there.
Here's what nobody tells you about petty theft cases. They almost never stay petty. Derek walked out of a bar with an open tab.
Yo, he just assaulted two of
Yeah. What's going on?
Huh?
What's going on with these guys out here?
No, they tried to make me pay more money than I owe.
But they say you didn't pay your tab or something? Or?
No, I paid my tab. Go in there and look.
No.
How do they know my name?
Sir, I'm just sitting. They called me over here. That's why I'm here, okay? I'm here to keep peace. Want to make sure nothing's gonna happen. No one's gonna fight.
You shut up.
Hey,
I'll beat your ass.
Hey.
Shut your fucking mouth.
I work here, dude.
I will beat your ass.
Come on, don't you
I will fucking beat your ass.
point at me again.
What do you mean? I point at you, bitch.
Calm down.
Nah, you get out of the way.
Calm down.
Let us do this.
Listen to me. You're gonna end up in jail. Stop. You're gonna.
What are you gonna? What?
You're gonna. You want to go to jail?
No.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back, bud.
I don't want to go to
Listen,
jail.
all right, then chill out. Then chill out, cause I ain't playing games.
All right.
I ain't.
Staff followed him out, calmly, and one of them approached him to explain the situation. No yelling, no shoving, just, "Sir, you have an unpaid tab." And Derek's response was to swing. He hit one staff member square in the face. He tried to swing on a second. Now the officer standing on that street corner isn't dealing with a theft anymore. He's dealing with a battery in progress, with witnesses, on camera. Which brings us to where most people fall behind on cases like this. Watch how the officer handles this.
Playing game for you. All right, you need to chill the f out. You have your ID on you?
No.
You don't have anything? What's your name?
I ain't giving it to you.
You want to go to jail?
I'm not giving you my name.
I'm telling you right now, you better stop.
Get off my shirt.
Chill out.
Get off my shirt.
Chill out. Put your hands behind your
All
back.
right, I will chill. I will chill.
Chill out.
I will chill.
Put your hands behind your
I will
back.
chill.
Sir,
I'm not going to put my hands behind my back.
you're going to put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Ask me my name.
All right.
I'll give you what you
then
want.
You're going to chill the f
I'll
out,
give you
right?
what you want. Yes.
You chill the f out.
Yes.
You're not going to play around no more, are you? Are you going to play around? You're going to ruin your Sunday. You need to chill out.
Listen.
No, you listen.
I haven't.
You listen to me.
I haven't been playing around.
Huh?
I don't consider this playing around.
I do. I think it's f***ing stupid, childish.
I think it's stupid too.
All right, then f***ing calm down.
All right.
Calm the f***
All
down.
right, let go of me.
No, you're gonna put your hands behind your back. Is what you're gonna do.
No, I'm gonna put them down.
Put them on your back.
No, I'm gonna put them down. I'm not putting my hands behind my back.
You're gonna end up in
I've
jail.
done nothing wrong.
You're gonna end up in jail.
Dude, you're gonna get drilled. I've done nothing
Coming out
wrong.
with 2 supplement 94.
I paid my tab and I left.
Huh?
I paid my tab and I left.
Sit on the ground. Sit on
I'm
the.
not gonna sit.
Sit on the ground.
I will stand.
Sit on the f***ing ground now. Sit down on the
Yeah,
ground.
you ain't gonna tell me what to do.
Sit on the ground.
I'll lean against this post.
You're gonna sit on the ground.
I'm not gonna sit
You're gonna
down.
sit on the ground. What you're
You're
gonna do? Sit on the ground.
Do you think I'm that dumb?
Sit on the ground.
Let go of
Sit.
me.
No, I'm not letting you go.
I'll drill
gotta
you in
sit
the
down.
mouth.
Drill me in the mouth. See what happens to you. Get stupid.
I'm not trying to.
All right. Get
I'm
stupid.
trying to go home.
Sit on the ground.
I'm not gonna sit on the ground.
All right.
I'll stand.
Sit on the ground. Sit down.
I'm not gonna stand.
Sit the down.
Let go of me.
Sit down.
Let go of me.
Sit down. Tell you
Let
right
go
now.
of me.
Tell you right now to sit down.
Let go of me.
Sit down.
Let go of me.
And Derek's answer is to keep pointing at the bar workers and threatening to beat them, on camera, in front of the officer who just told him to stop. And this is where it gets misunderstood, because a lot of viewers think police are looking for a reason to escalate. This officer is handing Derek off-ramp after off-ramp, and Derek is refusing every single one of them. When a police officer tells you to sit on the ground, that is not a debate. That is a lawful order.
Don't sit down, you're gonna get tased.
He's trying to throw me
Sit
out.
down.
He's trying to throw me
Sit on the
out.
ground, you're gonna get tased. Sit on the ground. Sit on the ground now. Sit on the ground now, you're gonna get tased.
Let's go. Sit.
Sit down. Sit down the ground.
Why?
Sit. Eric, come over here,
I'm
man.
good.
Get on the ground.
Shut up.
Ground. Get on the ground. Stay down there. Put your hands.
Dave.
Put your hands.
Put your hands. Well, you're gonna get maced. You're gonna get maced.
Put your hands behind your back, or you're gonna get maced.
What do you want?
All right. Dave, look out. Look out. Look at me. Look at me. That's it. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. I told you you're gonna get sprayed. Put your hands behind your back.
You're gonna shoot me next?
If you're new here, Hit subscribe because I've got a full playlist of these police confrontations and is something no officer was ready for. And every refusal is another charge stacking up in real time.
I told you. What's your name now, motherfucker?
Yeah, tough guy.
What's your name?
My name's Tough Guy. Stupid. Idiot.
All that talking, what'd you do?
All that bad you got.
Yeah. I thought you were gonna hit me.
You're lying.
See this right here? This camera?
Lying.
See this camera right here?
You're lying.
Yeah, we'll see.
At what point does resisting stop being brave and start being the thing that ruins your entire year? Because for Derek, that answer is right here. Once you swing on staff, once you dare a cop to tase you, once you refuse to sit down 12 times, there's no version of this night where you go home.
All right, so what happened?
So I approached him. I said, "Sir, you still have a tab open at the bar." And then he just went off the handle. He said, "What motherfucker?" I said, "Sir, I'm just saying that you have an unpaid tab." And then that's when he approached us and swung on.
He swung at you?
He swung at him first, got him first, actually hit him.
He rocked my
He hit me over here.
Okay, where'd this all happen at?
Right here?
right here.
So it's because he didn't pay his bar tab? Is that?
He paid one of the servers, and then he still had a live tab at the bar. So he's walking out, and then when my bartender's like, "Shane, can you go get him? He hasn't paid his bar tab." I said, "Okay, not a problem." I'm like, "Sir, you haven't paid a bar tab," and then he got completely belligerent, and then he's like, "Wait, you call me a f-?" I'm like, "No, sir, I'm just saying that you haven't paid a bar tab," and then he came just to assist me, and then that's when he walked off, and then he showed up, and then he started swinging on me.
Who did he swing at? He swung at.
He sucker punched me hard, like rock my fighter. He rocked my face.
You have your ID on you?
Yeah.
So I can remember.
And then that's when I went to go get you because he started getting physical.
Y'all took all my just like some fucking Jew-ass thieves. Jew. What'd I do? What the fuck did I do? For what?
Come on, man.
I can't see.
Sit back, watch your head.
I can't see. You're gonna take me to jail.
Yeah, sit down.
For what?
You're going to jail. I just told you we're going to jail.
Disorderly conduct and battery. Duck your head in so you don't hit it on the
All
floor.
right, loosen up the cuffs a little bit.
Sit down.
They're tight.
They're as loose as they get.
Stop making it worse, please. Put your feet in it.
There you go.
By the time he's in the patrol car, Derek is facing battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting and obstructing without violence, petty theft for the original tab, disorderly conduct, and resisting detention arrest. 5 separate charges, all of them stemming from a bar bill that could have been closed out with a tap of a card. He changed his plea to no contest in exchange for 6 months of probation, mandatory anger management, and a no-contact order with the multiple victims he punched. He avoided a hard sentence, but he now carries a record that follows him into every job application, every background check, every apartment lease for years. And it's not that Derek was a bad guy who snapped. It's that the entire chain, the tab, the swing, the plea, was decided in the 2 seconds where he chose ego over paying his bill. Anger doesn't just cost you the fight, it costs you the record. It costs you the job. Drop a comment telling me your thoughts about this case, and I'll see you in the next case.